Hi, and welcome to another Blender Generate Modifiers video. So all of these have subdivision modifiers, surface subdivision. We're just going to apply it to them. We're going to keep it at 2 or 1. 2 is good. Okay, apply here. And then we are going to talk about the actual modifier for this one. So it's Triangulate, which is just converts all the polygons to triangles. So triangulate here, and let's see, we have 3 options for methods as well as quad methods. So let's try each one and see what we get. So let's do this one actually. This one's a little simpler, so maybe our PC won't break down. All right, let's keep normals. X-ray mode. So this is what's happening. It created all those triangles. Let's go down 1. Oh, I guess we can't go down. Go up and breaks more. Okay, so this is 4 and this is 5. So what I'm seeing is if we go for minimum vectors vertices, so minimum vectors is needed, and that broke up a lot of stuff here. And then if we increase it, it takes away all those triangles. Okay, so we're learning there. Let's go with beauty. Same thing. Let's see, what is this? Beauty, split the quads into nice triangles, slower method. Okay. Let's go with fix. Fix split squads on the first and third vertices. Just different methods. And then alternative. Okay, so we'll see things get moved around. Oh, that's cool. All right. And let's see. Shortest diagonal. Let's see. Splits the quads along the shortest diagonal path. And then let's go with longest diagonal. So just split the squads along their longest diagonal. Okay, nice. Let's go back like that. We won't really see the geometry changing unless we either go X-ray mode or what do you call it, wire mode. All right, so wire mode here. Let's add that modifier just so we can see. And we added a bunch of triangles. Yeah, beauty. It's just different ways to triangulate the geometry for an object. All right, let's say beauty and clip. What does this mean? Split polygons with an ear clipping algorithm. We don't really need to know about that, but at least for these, I'm showing you different ways. So we're stuck with 4 or 5 really, and we can't go any lower than that. Let's see, keep the normals. Nah. All right, sweet. Okay, cool. Let's see over here. Oh, that is a lot of triangles. Let's do beauty, and we can see the changes like that. Fix, shortest. I guess if we're trying to keep the geometry the same or consistent, so when we do UV unwrapping and stuff like that, so that the texture doesn't get stretched out, triangulation with a quad method and fix would probably be our best bet. But yeah. Oh, nice. All right, let's let's delete that because that is very taxing on our PC. Hope that helps. Really, that modifier is just breaking the geometry of all the objects into triangles in some different forms, and depending on what you choose, it's either a little better for texturing or not. So yeah, hope that helps. And again, all these triangular shapes, if you mess around, let's see, mess around in edit mode can give you pretty interesting geometry that you can tweak to create interesting models. So also consider that as well. And best of luck. Hope that helps.